you. Yes, you with empty coin pouch. Listen to me, or stay broke forever. Me know why you still poor. You chase wrong thing. You think need magic rock, big shiny house, fancy bird clothes. Wrong. Me tell secret. Simple. But most humans too busy staring at shiny rock. They think, maybe big chief notice me. Maybe magic happen. Maybe rich uncle leave gold under pillow. No, luck is like rabbit. Fast, small, and runs away. You need mammoth. Big, slow, heavy. When you catch, it feed you for moons. You laugh. You chase tiny deals, tiny jobs, tiny dreams. Then wonder why belly's still empty. Stop chasing rabbit. Start hunting mammoth. In my day, when I chase rabbit, I get small meat. Enough for one meal. By next day, I hungry again. But when I hunt mammoth, whole tribe eat, make clothes, and trade extra tusk for more tools. Today, this mean go after big opportunities, business skill or trade that can grow. Selling one rock, small coin. Owning the mine, big coin. I hunted mammoth, but my tribe helped cut meat, make fire. Why? Because one caveman alone get tired, slow, and eaten by tiger. Many humans today still try to do everything alone. This is mistake. You need tribe, people, systems, tools, to work even when you're not working. That is how you make coin flow while you sleep like rock. Imagine waking up and coin already there. That is magic. Do not give all your gold back to shiny sellers. You buy too much shiny, you stay broke. In my time, we kept extra meat for winter. Now you keep extra coin for bad days. And not just keep, make it grow. Invest in something that give you more coin. In old days, me plant seed. Wait. Now but be careful. If you plant in bad soil, seed dies. If you invest in bad place, coin disappears. Many humans do this because they follow crowd like lost goat. You must think like leader. You want to be rich. Stop acting like scared rabbit. Think big, work smart. Protect your gold. Grow your gold. This is not hard, but it requires courage. If caveman with no shoes, no phone, no internet can grow rich, you have no excuse. Remember, in my time, I not even have bank. My bank was a big rock. My vault was a hole in ground. If I can do it, you can too. If you like this secret, smash magic red button so tribe grows strong. Leave comment. Now, go hunt your mammoth.